Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use invite code and Watcher of Realms. Using an invite code and Watcher of Realms is a simple way to earn rewards while helping friends join the game. First, make sure your account has progressed far enough in the campaign to unlock the invite feature. You can find it by tapping the triple bar menu in the top right corner of the screen, selecting the invite option. To share your code, press copy and send it to a friend. Once they create an account, they can go to the same invite section, choose use invite code, paste your code, and confirm. Your account will then start receiving rewards based on your friend's progress. For example, when a referred friend reaches level 10, 20, or 30, you will receive corresponding rewards. Each account can earn benefits from up to 3 invited friends, so choose your invites wisely to maximize your gains while helping others get started in the game. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.